Here are three things you need to know this morning. Tesla shares slump after a disappointing earnings call, hinting at further price cuts and higher spending in the months ahead. Margins below expectations were the big concern, with operating income of $2.4 billion missing the street by a distance. CEO Elon Musk says Tesla will have to keep dropping prices if rates continue to rise. This as he confirmed that third quarter production will slow amid factory upgrades. Investors hoping for a detailed roadmap, meanwhile, on the Cybertruck. They didn't get one. They'll also have been struck by Musk's comments on the Dojo supercomputer. It's going to cost over $1 billion by the end of 2024. And Netflix shares also slumped as its third quarter revenue forecast disappoints despite a crackdown on password sharing that boosted subscribers. Netflix grew its sub base by 8%. That's way ahead of expectations, though its average revenue per member fell 3% from a year earlier due to regional pricing differences. Sales underwhelmed, with growth of just 2.7% to about $8.2 billion in the second quarter. Evercore's Mark Mahaney says the fundamental story is getting stronger, not weaker. We're going to speak with him in just a few. And American Airlines shares slumped despite raising its full-year profit forecast. Adjusted earnings per share coming in at $1.92 versus the $1.59 that was expected. Revenue also comfortably beating at just over $14 billion. American says it's almost two-thirds of the way to its goal of reducing its debt by $15 billion by the end of 2025. The report comes hot off the heels of United, which posted record quarterly earnings with a bullish forecast for the third quarter. And last week, Delta raised its forecast for full-year earnings.